Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can remove password from Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then select Google section. Now tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Then tap on Delete next to Edit, and last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!